Today, I'm going to share with you my review and step-by-step guide on how to withdraw funds from your SafePal wallet directly into your bank account. A lot of people think you can send crypto straight to your bank, but that's not possible. Here's how to do it the right way. Step 1. Convert crypto to fiat. You cannot directly transfer crypto to your bank. First, you need to convert it into fiat currency like USD or Euro. Step 2. Use a centralized exchange. Send your crypto from your SafePal wallet to a reputable exchange such as BitGet. Make sure the wallet address matches the token network before transferring. Step 3. Sell your crypto. Once it reaches the exchange, sell your cryptocurrency for fiat. For example, you can sell Bitcoin for USD. Step 4. Use a P2P platform optional. Alternatively, you can use a peer-to-peer P2P platform to sell your crypto directly to another user in exchange for fiat money. This can sometimes be faster depending on your region. Step 5. Initiate a bank withdrawal. Add your bank details to the exchange or P2P platform. Make sure your account is verified. In the withdrawal section, select your fiat currency, enter the amount, and choose the bank transfer option. Step 6. Confirm and wait. Confirm the withdrawal request. Most transfers take 1-5 business days, depending on your bank and transfer method. Important tips: always enable two-factor authentication. 2FA for extra security. Watch out for transaction, trading, and withdrawal fees. Stay compliant with local regulations and taxes to avoid issues. That's how you safely move your funds from SafePal to your bank account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.